Foundation function introduction, foundation layout. Draw strip foundation. This command is used to draw strip foundations using double lines. Click the Draw Strip Foundation function, set the drawing width of the strip foundation, the eccentricity value, and choose whether to draw a single segment or continuously. Specify the strip foundation starting point and next point. Strip foundation drawing completed. Column centroid marking. This command is used to search for the centroid position of the column and mark it. Click the Column Centroid Marking function. Specify the column to mark the centroid. The program will automatically add a point marker at the centroid position of the selected column. When inserting foundations or underpinning at a single point, this can be used as the positioning point. Column centroid mark completed. Draw column foundation. This command is used to arrange isolated column foundations in the plan layout. Click the Draw Column Foundation function. Users can directly enter the size and positioning parameters manually or use the slider to input the values. The results will be dynamically displayed in the preview box on the right side of the dialog box. After setting the parameters, click on a single point, an axis intersection, or the centroid of a column to confirm. Select the columns that need to insert isolated column foundations. Column independent foundation layout completed. Foundation trimming. This command is used to process the intersections between isolated column foundations and ground beams in the plan layout. Click the Foundation Trimming function. Choose the foundation clipping method, then click OK. Select the area where the foundation needs to be cut. The program will automatically complete the cutting of the foundation. Foundation trimming completed. Edit column foundation. This command is used to edit isolated foundations arranged on the plane. Click the Edit Column Foundation function. Select a column foundation. Edit the shape, position, and other characteristics of the foundation. After editing, click OK. The foundation in the plan will change accordingly. Column foundation editing completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.